As economic uncertainty continues to rise, family offices are facing a dilemma: how to preserve wealth while maintaining the necessary liquidity to manage day-to-day operations and obligations. In this video, we're diving into why a gold IRA could be the solution to striking that perfect balance. Stick with me until the end, because the solution might just surprise you. Picture this. You're the head of a family office with significant assets, but you also need liquidity, money that's easily accessible to cover operational costs, investments, or unforeseen emergencies. The question becomes, how do you protect the wealth your family has built while still keeping enough cash flow at your disposal? This is a challenge many family offices are grappling with today. With market volatility, inflation, and banking instability shaking financial markets, traditional investment strategies might not cut it anymore. The real question is, how do you secure wealth for the long term while ensuring that liquidity is always available? Let me tell you about Mark and Sarah, a couple managing a family office based in Florida. With over $2 million invested in their portfolio, they were looking for ways to protect their retirement funds from the whims of the market, especially with the looming uncertainties in the banking sector. But they also didn't want to lock their wealth into something that would tie up their funds for years. They did what many family offices are now doing. They rolled over a portion of their portfolio into a gold IRA. By making this shift, they not only insulated their wealth from inflation, but also retained access to their investments in case they needed quick liquidity. They understood the value of precious metals, particularly gold, and knew it was the ideal hedge against economic instability. But why a gold IRA specifically? A gold IRA allows you to hold physical gold in a tax-advantaged retirement account. Unlike stocks and bonds, gold is a tangible asset that has historically held its value, especially during times of inflation or economic downturns. Gold doesn't rely on the performance of the stock market, which means it's a safe haven when the markets are volatile. Moreover, gold IRAs offer tax advantages, just like traditional IRAs. This makes them an attractive option for family offices looking to preserve wealth while avoiding the risks of having all assets tied up in traditional investments. Gold has always been a trusted store of value, and its price tends to rise when other asset classes falter. Here's where the liquidity aspect comes in. Unlike other physical assets like real estate or fine art, gold is highly liquid. It's relatively easy to convert into cash when necessary. This makes it perfect for family offices that need to keep assets liquid without sacrificing long-term security. For Mark and Sarah, the gold IRA strategy meant they could preserve wealth, hedge against inflation, and still access their funds if necessary. The gold IRA gave them both security and liquidity, the best of both worlds. So, what does this mean for you? If you're managing a family office and facing the same liquidity concerns, a gold IRA could be the answer. It provides the opportunity to safeguard your wealth in times of economic uncertainty while still keeping your assets liquid enough to manage your operational needs. But here's the thing. Setting up a gold IRA isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It requires planning, understanding your goals, and making sure the process aligns with your family office's specific needs. That's why I've partnered with experts to offer a free gold IRA guide and no obligation educational call to help you navigate this process. There's no sales pitch, no pressure, just one-on-one educational calls to ensure this strategy is the right fit for your family office. Mark and Sarah took that first step, and now they feel more secure, knowing their wealth is protected in the face of a volatile market. Their gold IRA allows them to sleep easy at night while knowing they have access to liquidity when needed. If you've built your wealth over the years and want to make sure it's protected for your family's future, then consider a gold IRA. It's time to make a move that could not only safeguard your wealth, but also give you the flexibility and security you deserve. To learn more, click the link below and grab your free gold IRA guide. There's absolutely no pressure, no gimmicks, just honest educational information to see if a gold IRA is right for you. Remember, you've worked hard to build your retirement. It's time to protect it. Take that first step today. Click the link, schedule your call, and find out if this strategy fits your family office's needs.